Hey guys, we are going to look at how to solve this question. It says 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 100. So we are asked to solve this, and in doing so we are going to be looking for the value of x in this. So let's write our solution. So that's our solution. So the first thing you need to do is to write down the question. So let's write down the question. We have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x and is equals to 100. Alright, so you can observe from the left hand side that we have similar base, so we can factorize. So let's factorize this out. We'll be having 5 to the power of x into the bracket 1 plus 1, and that will be equal to 100. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to add up the element inside the bracket. So in adding up the element, you are having 5 to the power of x multiplying 2. So you are multiplying 2 because 1 plus 1 is 2, and that will be equal to 100. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to divide both sides by 2. So we are dividing both sides by 2 here, both the left hand side and the right hand side by 2. So of course you realize that 2 can cancel out 2 here, and when 2 goes into 100 you'll be having just 50. So we're having 5x is equals to 50. Now if you observe, the left hand side is having power x, so we need to bring down the power. And how do we do that? We need to introduce log to it. So we are going to introduce log to both sides. Introduce log to both sides. Okay, so when you introduce log to both sides, you will be having log 5 to the power of x equal to 50. So of course you have log here. All right, you have log there. So the next thing you need to do is to implement your log. So when you have log 5 to the power of x, the power will come down. So when the power comes down, you're just having x log 5, and this will give us log 50. All right, so the next thing we need to do is to divide both sides by log 5 so that our x can stand alone. So when you divide both sides by log 5, you'll be having divided by log 5 here, and also here divided by log 5. So of course you know log 5 will cancel out log 5, so you're just left with x, and x will be equal to log 50 divided by log 5. So if that is the case, then our x can be the same thing as log 50 base 5, because from the laws of logarithm, when you have log the numerator divided by log of the denominator, it will simply be this case. So our x is equals to log 50 base 5. Thank you, and if you like this, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more.